So this is the file of weight loss, and in this file we will apply the one sample t-test. Now you can see we have collected the data from 50 respondents for their weight loss. You can take the situation. There is a company who claims that that if the person will use their product, then they will lose their weight up to 5 kg in a month or in a week. You can take, right? So a company is claiming that if someone will use the product, he or she will lose the 5 kg weight, right? So 5 kg is what? 5 kg is the parameter, right? 5 kg is the criteria, right? Or you can say the 5 kg is the null hypothesis value. So just remember this 5 kg. Go to analyze. Today I will apply very slow. Yesterday I think I was a bit fast. Okay, so go to analyze, go to compare means in the fifth option, compare means, and then you will find the one sample t-test here, right? One sample t-test. Click on this test. Here it is asking for the variable, so I just want to apply the t-test on weight loss variable. So I select this and click on this mid arrow, right? So weight loss has been selected. Now it is asking for the test value, right? Test value means your criteria, which I told you that company is claiming for to reduce the 5 kg, right? So you can type here 5. It is up to you, that because you have population mean, right? That's why. So you can type 5 here. Go to options. There is nothing because it is already 95% confidence interval, right? So no need to do here. So just select one variable and test value is 5 because company is claiming to reduce 5 kg weight in 1 month. Click on OK, and in the output window you will find the result, right? Now that here we assume, first of all, okay, so in this situation my sample mean, this is my sample mean, right? My sample mean is 4.02, right? My population mean is 5, as I told you. So there is a difference, right? But you cannot say there is a statistical difference in the figures. There you will find a difference almost 1 kg, but is it statistical difference or just in your case you have collected data from 50 respondents, that's why you just got a difference of 1 kg, right? So to analyze that or to conclude this thing, you need to test the p value. My p value is 0.000, that means less than 0.05, which is less than 0.05, this one, right? So if my p is less than 0.05, p is less than alpha, what I can say, reject the null. And what was my null? Null says that company was claiming that if someone will use the product, he or she will lose the 5 kg weight in a month, right? Or alternate is he will not lose 5 kg. So this is my null and this is my alternate, so I reject the null, right? Here I just reject the null because my p is less than alpha. So you can say that company was claiming the wrong statement. Okay, right? So you can apply t-test on any sample or any file. Let me use another file. First of all, clear all the drawings.